Hi, in this video we will discuss the second part, which is solving quadratic equations by I'm sorry, this should be by factoring. Alright, so by factoring, so namali lang na, dapat din ako. Okay, solving quadratic equations by factoring. So we have to note this factoring methods we have learned in our grade 8. So hopefully na master na ang factoring. So the first, for I, we have this is factoring by common monomial. As you can see, na-common na monomial, which is A, gilabas lang siya. So gilabas muna na, then nabilin ang duha ka terms. So we have this one. Again, this method is also applicable kung daghay sulod daghay terms, no? As long as na sila pareha nga monomial. Let's say AY and we add another, let's say AZ. So pwede mo malabas ang A and then everything is left inside nga dili common. So still applicable pa rin itong by common monomial method. Okay, factoring. So kabalo man tag factoring, no? So kini morning product, ang factored form niya kay ingani. So we have two factors. We have A and quantity of x plus y. For 2, this one is called, if you can still remember, this is the difference of 2 squares. So we have difference of 2 squares. Alright? So how to factor this one? Remember, in your grade 8, inani man itong pagka-factor, no? Alright, so pag inani ang naong, inani pagka-factor. Hopefully, na-master na siya. Okay, so this is just a review. Pag inani ang dagway, this is called a perfect square trinomial. So, perfect square ni siya. Mura kog mga numbers, no, specific. Unsa na mga perfect square? Example, 4. 4 is a perfect square. Nga naman, kay makakita makag number na pag i-multiply sa iyang sarili kaduha, mo na tong answer. For example, 4. So, 2 squared man siya, right? So, meaning perfect square. Kay makakita man tag number nga integer nga pag squared mo equals to 4. How about 9? This 9 is also perfect square. Kay ang 9 equal ba isa sa 3 squared. So, makakita kag number na pag squared mo result sa 9. So, meaning 9 is integer, no? Integer dapat siya. So, 9 is a perfect square. Now, for this, perfect square ni siya basta inani ang noun, no? X squared plus 2xy plus y squared. So, ang factored form niya ingani pareha ra x plus y ug x plus y, but you can still rewrite this as what? X plus y then squared. Alright? Kay duha man siya, no? Parehag base, pareha man siya nga 1 ang exponent. So, pag parehang base, copy the base, then add the exponent. So, we have 2. Alright? Similarly, kani, pag inani ang dagway sa imong trinomial, kay 3 terms man, pag inani ang dagway, x squared minus 2xy plus y squared, then automatic, okay, namali ko, dapat dari minus na siya. Alright? So, dapat dili siya plus. Alright? So, yeah, you can rewrite this as x minus y then squared. Alright? So, kani lang ang atong timan ano, kini upat lang kabuok factoring methods. Okay? At least kailangan lang nato na because we are going to use this factoring idea in our solving of our quadratic equation. So, magamit gining factoring. So, please take note of these 4 basic factoring methods. Alright? So, after learning this or reviewing this factoring polynomials, do not forget to use the idea or theorem that if gamiton dayon nimo, no, after factoring gamiton dayon nimo nga idea ni. So, if A times B, so meaning na factored form na siya, pag equal daw ni daw sa 0, then automatic nga ang isa sa ilaha, A or B, A is 0 or B is 0. Diba? It makes sense. So, pag mag-multiply daw kag duha ka number, pag equal daw na kang 0, meaning, isa sa ila 0 or pwede sa ilang duha, puro 0. Diba? So, muna giingon dere. Either A ang 0 or B ang 0 or even both of them can be equal to 0. Diba? It makes sense, right? Nag-multiply kag duha. So, meaning, isa ana, 0. Or sila yung duha, 0, right? Okay. So, we will use this idea and this factoring to solve for a quadratic equation by factoring. Alright? So, just remember this factoring methods. Alright, so let's try number 1. We have y squared minus 64 equals 0. Okay? So, kung tanaw nimo ni siya, asa ka ni nga unsa ka nga factoring method? So, dapat na master nimo ni yung factoring method, ha? Alright, so pwede na tang balik-balik. Now, ang buhaton na to ani basta factoring. Dapat ang right side, alright, dapat ang right side make sure 0. So, ipangbalhin nimo tanan na diha sa left side, unya dapat ma-0 na dayon ang right side. Then after ana, imong i-plaster ang left side, and then if you think na ma-factor siya, then do the factoring. Alright, for example, number 1. Kini okay naman nino kay ang right side 0. Now, ang left side, kung tanaw nimo, pwede pa na siya ma-factor because, as you can see, this can be factored using 2i. So, that's a difference of 2 squares, right? Ang 64 kay perfect square man na. So, meaning y minus or plus 8, then ang isa kay y minus 8, di ba? Kung factor na nimo, equals to 0. Okay, then pagkahuman, imo na dayon na siyang gamitag idea nga ingani. Applyan dayon nimo siya ingani, no? If a equals 0, then both or one of which is 0. So, in this example, ang atong a mo ni kani, unya ang b na to kay kini. So, meaning a equals 0 or b equals 0. So, ang next line sa atong solution is y plus 8, which is our a, is 0, or y minus 8 equals 0, right? And then solve individually, this becomes y equals negative 8 or y is positive 8. So, there are two possible solutions for number 1, equation number 1. Okay, tama ba nga si negative 8 o positive or positive 8 kay solution? So, let's do the checking to make sure na kuan gid sila, no? So, let's do the checking. So, use the original equation. First, we let x equal, y is, y atong gigamit, equals negative 8. Ipuli na to sa original equation. That's y squared minus 64 equals 0. So, ipuli lang, negative 8 squared minus 64, 0 good. Yes, because negative 8 naka-parenthesis squared is 64, right? 64 minus 64, that's 0. And indeed, 0 is equal to 0, right? So, ang left and right are just equal to 0. Ana na pag-check, no? So, dili na ka mag-transpose pag nag-check. Pag nag-checking ka, i-substitute lang nimo and then, tanawin mo ang left side kung equal ba gid sa right side. That's all. Similarly, i-check po na to whether kanibang 8 solution sad. So, pareha gid gyapon, use the original equation. So, that is 8 squared minus 64 equals 0. 8 squared is 64 minus 64. That's 0. Is it? Alright. So, 0 equals 0. So, obvious kayo, no? So, meaning si negative 8 ug 8 kay mga solutions. So, our solution set, not to end this, our solution set will be this one. So, isulod mo mga solution which is negative 8 ug positive 8. So, this is our solution set. Okay, so mga solutions na siya. Mo nang mga number nga makasatisfy sa atoang equation. So, meaning, ang y nga pwede diha substitute, pwede po na to substitute diha. So that we can satisfy the equation. In other words, no, mo equal ang left sa right. Okay? So, ana lang, no? So, dapat kabalo tag factoring. So, pag kabalo na tag factoring, unya, i-apply dahil na to ning idea, then we're done. So, as easy as that. Alright? Sige. I hope nakuha siya. Okay, example number 2. Okay, so example number 2 kay nanira na siya. Okay. So sa example number 2, we have x squared plus 5x equals 0. So ang buhaton na to ani, Ang right side kay 0 naman, unya ang left side kay wala pa man siya na factored form, so i-factor sa nato na siya ang left side. Now, ang appropriate gamito na factoring method is kaning kaning first, no? Ax plus ay equals a times the quantity of x plus y. Kaya na may common, right? So, ang common dere is obviously x, no? So, meaning, ilabas na to si x, okay? Ilabas na to si x, then mabilin kay x plus 5. Diba? Kabalo naman tamo factor? Alright. Kay x times x squared, x times 5, 5x. Okay? So, naka-factored form na siya, kana ug kana, naka-factored form na ang product na to. So, then, we are ready to apply the idea that if a kani siya, if a equals 0, then a equals 0 or b equals 0. So, we're done. So, x equals 0 or x plus 5 equals 0, and then solve individually. Kaning left side, kaning una nga equation na solve na siya, no? So, ang x na kay 0, while kini wala pa. So, imo lang natiwason gamay. So, that will become x equals negative 5. So, we have two solutions now. Proposed solutions. So, x is 0 and x is negative 5. Again, we check this one to make sure na mo ginasiya ba. Okay, we'll do the checking. So, yeah. First, we let x be 0 and let's see what happens. So, use the original equation, x plus 5x equals 0. So, this is 0 squared plus 5 times 0. Is it 0? Of course, 0 plus 0 equals 0. So, 0 equals 0. Indeed, ang left equals a right. Therefore, this is a solution. Similarly, for 5, negative 5. So, substitute in our original equation. That's negative 5 squared plus 5 times negative 5. So, is it really 0? Negative 5 squared, that's 25. Positive 5 times negative 5, that is negative 25. So, obviously, this is 0 and 0. So, indeed, the left is equal to the right side. So, the solution set is 0 and negative 5. The set containing 0 and negative 5. Okay? Solution set man ta. Okay, so I hope nakuha ang number 2. Okay, how about number 3? So, kung tanawon nimo ang number 3 kay unsa siya? Sorry. So, ang number 3 kay unsa na siya? 4x squared minus 20x plus 25 equals 0. Alright? So, 0 naman ang right side. Ang left side kay wala pa na factored form. So, i-factor na to siya. Hopefully, naka-remember pa to sa pag-factor ni Ana. So, kaning 1 to 4, yeah, magamit na to sila, pero napay kulang Ana. No? Kaning, in the case of number 3, kay, pwede na to siya gamitan o kadtong, if you can still remember, pwede tong paing-ani, no? Pwede ta mag-trial and error. Pero I think, maragdali na mo siya makuha. So, sa 4x, pwede 2x ug 2x. For 25, I think we can use negative 5 and negative 5 here. Diba? Pag i-multiply na nimo, negative 10x. Multiply po din nimo, negative 10x. So, negative 10x plus negative 10x. The answer is negative 20x. Mo result siya sa middle term. Therefore, tama nga to ang pagka-factor. Perfect square siya, no? So, meaning perfect square trinomial, no? Diba? Kay pariha man, no? Diba? Pag pariha, perfect square day siya. Okay, perfect square. So, pag perfect square, so may buhaton na to, ani. So, for perfect square, of course, apply na to siya idea nga ing ani. So, if a times b equals 0, then a equals 0 or b equals 0, right? Since pareho naman siya, so kausahon lang na to pagsulat, no? So, 2x minus 5 equals to 0. Di na ta mo sulat og or 2x minus 5 equals 0 for this term. Kay, pareha naman sila. So meaning isa na lang atong gamiton, all right? So you have 2x, balhin lang nimong 5 para makuha lang gyud ang x. So you have over 2 over 2, so cancel out. So x equals, ang 5 over 2, di na nato siya i-solve jud kay na decimal. So i-retain na lang nato ang fraction. That's 5 over 2. Simplified lang po unta, ha? So our answer for x is 5 over 2. Now, is 5 over 2 a solution? So let's try to check. Okay, so we do the checking now. And then, yeah, we let x first be equal to 5 over 2. Let's see if mo satisfy ba siya sa dere nga equation. Okay? So, yeah, i-substitute lang for 4 times, ang x na to kay 5 over 2, no? Alright? So, 5 over 2, then naka-squared, minus 20, then 5 over 2. So, fraction kita ni ron, plus 25 equals 0. So, ano lang? So, 4, naka-squared pa man. So, of course, this is 25, then 4. Right? Naka-remember pa ka? Di ba kay 5 over 2, then pag squared kay 5 squared over 2 squared. So, that's 25 over 4. So, muna na siya. Okay, now, nagyapon. So, yeah. We cancel this out. Pwede naman ni makancel ang 20 og 2. So, kani mahimong 10, mahimong 1. 10 times 5, that's 50 already over 1. So, 50 na siya. Plus 25 is 0. So, kini makancel man ni 1, then 1. So, 1 times 25, of course, that is 25 minus 50 plus 25. Is it really 0? So, obvious na good kayo, no? Pero ato lang tiwason. 25 plus 25, 50 minus 50. So, 0 equals to 0. Indeed, the left is equal to the right side. Therefore, 5 over 2 is a solution. And our solution set is a set containing only one number. So, ang solution set. So, ang sulod lang sa set na to kay 5 over 2. Siya lang usa. So, pwede din na nga isara ang solution. Okay? So, I hope nakuha siya. Alright? Factoring lang yun ka magdaog. So, kung diha, dali na kay diri na part, no? So, okay, pag-factor lang yun. Okay, so dapat familiar kita sa pag-factor. Alright? And lastly, we have example number 4. So, mas dali na siya i-factor. Alright, so for number 4, yeah, it's easy. So, we have x squared. No, I'm sorry. It should be y squared. Okay, namali kog encode, ana. So, it should be y squared plus 8y plus 12 is 0. So, ang right side kay 0 naman. So, let's say, so, tanaw na to ang left side. Ma-factor naman gina siya, no? So, that's y plus 4. Alright, y plus 4. Diba? Okay, tanawa siya. Y times y squared. 4 times 4, positive, no? 4 times positive. I'm sorry, mali day siya. It should be mali. So dapat 6 na mali day ko. So mogamit na lang taan ni og so sa 12 para mahimong 8, positive 6 and positive 2. Okay, so since 6 times 2 kay negative positive 12. And then ato i-multiply ni mahimong 6y, then kini mahimong 2y, then add, so mahimong 8y. So mo result siya sa middle term. So meaning tama tong pagka-factor. So we cannot always use the 4 factoring methods here. Sometimes mo gamit atong uban pa na factoring method. So in this case, dili siya perfect square pero kaya ra ma-factor, di ba? By trial and error or katong general na trinomial. Okay, nakalimot kog butang. Okay. Trial and error mangguto siya. Wala siya kanang certain form ba. Okay. Naagod pero medyo kuan na kay siya gubot. Okay. Pero anyway, Okay ra to siya. So hopefully na remember pa tong by factoring na katong kuan, trial and error, right? Anyway, we will use the idea that a times b is 0, then a equals 0 or b equals 0. So we will use that idea because in naman siya form na, okay, naka-factored form na, meaning naka-multiply na ba, no? So meaning y plus 6 equals 0 or y plus 2 equals 0. So mo man itong a, no? Mo na itong a, mo ning b, multiply. So a, which is this one, is equal to 0, or b, which is this one, equals to 0. Hopefully naklaro na siya. So yeah, let's get the y. So y is negative 6 or y is negative 2. So we have two proposed solutions. Let's see. So let's do the checking to make sure. Let y be negative 6. Ipuli lang sa original equation. So that's negative 6 squared plus 8 negative 6 plus 12 is 0. Is it really? Okay. Negative 6 squared, that's 36. Negative 48 plus 12 is 0. So 36 plus 12, so that's 48 minus 48, so 0. So indeed, equal ang left sa right. And then similarly, we let y equals negative 2 and then substitute negative 2 squared plus 8 negative 2 plus 12 is 0. So 4 positive negative 16 plus 12. So 4 plus 12, 16 minus 16, so that will be equal to 0. So that's 0. So indeed, left is equal to right. Therefore, the solution set is, so the solution set is a set containing negative 6. So mo matong answer to kaganihan, no? Negative 6 o negative 2. So duha ang sulod sa atong solution set. Okay, so yeah, so kini ang mga numbers na makasatisfy sa ato ang equation. Okay, so I hope nakuha siya. That would be all for the second method, which is by factoring. So I hope nakuha. Thank you very much and have a nice day.